Hello everyone, I am Ehsanul Siddiq and I have made a library management system with Visual Studio and using C# programming language in a webForm. So let's see my project. Let's run the project. So after running the project, a landing page will appear here. So here is the landing page. Here will be a form of login. So you can log in as a student or as a librarian here. So if you don't provide any email and password here and you click login, so it will not give you permit to login. You must give a password and email. So if you give the correct email but the wrong password, that is 123 login, so the password doesn't match. So you have to match the password with the database. So after providing the email, I am giving my password that is secret. So after login, the system will welcome you. So here is the librarian panel. So you can go to any panel if you want to go any button if you clicked. So let's start with add a publication. So let's add a publication that is Janani 2 add publication. So here is Janani 2 has been added. Add another one, Jagroni publication. So after Jagroni publication, the Jagroni publication has been added here. So if you want to delete the Janani and keep the Jagroni, so let's select it and just delete it. So see, the Janani 2 has been deleted from here. If you want to delete another one, let's RBT. So just delete it. That has been deleted. So let's add a branch. So add a branch that is Chittagong branch. So after adding the branch has been added successfully. So here is the Chittagong. So add another one that is Bonani. Add. So here is the Bonani branch. So if you want to delete anyone from here, so let's delete Chittagong from here. So select it and delete it. So Chittagong has been gone from here. So let's go to add a book. So you can add a book here. Add a book name that is CSS. The name is HTML CSS. Details is web developing language for design. So add an author name for it, Mr. Unknown, Mr. Known. So let's see, Jagroni publication you have added recently from the publication has been showing here. So let's select a branch name, Bonani you have added. So let's set a price 12,001. Quantity is 5, and after adding the book has been added successfully. So let's see the book from here. So Bonani view. So see, HTML CSS for web developing language for design, author unknown, publication Jagroni, branch Bonani, price these quantities. So you can search them. Nilkhet. In Nilkhet you have 2 books. In Shukrabad you have 1 book, Bangladesh. So you can search according to publication also. So search in this publication you have only 2 books. So let's combine the search with branch and publication. So let's DIU Nilkhet, DIU Joshua. So select anything, select Nilkhet and select DIU. So search by branch and publication. So if you search, see, publication and branch name. So in this branch, from this publication you have only ASP.NET C# this book. So if you want to show and view all the book, so you can see all the book which has been added by the publishers, the librarian. So let's go to another panel, see books, add branch, add a student. So let's add a student, Mr. Okay man after okay known branch is select your mail, day, month, year, contact address Bonani, city Dhaka, email kmown@gmail.com, password kmown. So after adding this student has been added successfully to the library. So you can see all the student here. Let's select branch Bonani. There is no student here. You can select Nilkhet. There is only one student, that is me. In Shukrabad you have one student, and in Karan Bazaar there is no student. So select male student has been added to the library. They are the male, and let's select female. So if you want to combine the search with male and in Nilkhet, so it will show you the male student from the Nilkhet branch. So let's search by the branch and publication gender. So here is one student only who is male and is from Nilkhet. So let's go to issue a book for a student. So select a publication, that is DIU, select a book ASP.NET C#, select a branch, that is Dhanmondi Hassan. So you are issuing a book for this particular student. So select, the book details will appear here. ASP.NET from Nilkhet branch, Hassan is from Dhanmondi branch, has been registered, and this book is from Nilkhet branch. So you are giving a day 46 day for this student. You are issuing this book. So issue this book, the book issued successfully. So issue report, you can see issue report here. So for Hassan, let's see Hassan from Dhanmondi, book ASP.NET, Hassan's email, publication, and this 46 you have added recently. So you can return the book from here. So this time we will not return this book, because we'll log in as a student to the Hassan's account, and we'll see the issued book, then we'll return that. So let's see about here. I've added detail about the library management system app. So let's log out from here. So after logout, you can also log in as a student. So you have to must give a password and email. So let's log in as Hassan, password Hassan. So the the password doesn't match, so you have to see the password first. Hassan 123 123. So after you log in, the system will welcome you. Welcome Hassan. So as usual, you can go to another panel. First go to my profile panel. So here is your profile details. If you want to update it, you can also update it from here, and you can also delete your account from here. So let's update something. So you can Hassan Mahmoud Dhanmondi Dhaka, mails 95, contact Kolabagans ymail.com, and after saving the change, you will go to your profile. You can see Hassan Mahmoud, the full change, mails 95, contact Kolabagans ymail. Okay, you can also delete your account, but this time I will not delete. I will delete it later. So you can change your password from here, Hassan Mahmoud 123. So let's add Hassan. Here is the new password. So after changing the password has been changed, and you can see your issued books here. Hassan Mahmoud issued books was ASP.NET C#. See, that was added by the librarian. So if you want to return this book, the book has been returned. See, you have no issued book here. So you can see all the book from here has been, you can search all the book from here. Karan there is no book. You in Nilkhet you have the library have only 2 book. You can also combine the search from here. So let's show, you can show all the L thing from here. You can see the about from here. So if you log out from here, let's log in as the new password of Hassan. So Hassan at the end of the new email, updated email is ymail and HASAN. So if you provide the old password 123, the system will not log you in. So HASAN. So if you give the new password, you can log in. See. So if you want to delete your password, you can also delete your password from here. My profile, delete your account. See, now you can give ymail and your HASAN login. So you have not any account here. So you can also log in as another gmail.com. After sorry, you don't know the password of Iqbal. So that was all my project. I don't know the password of Sheila. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching my project. Now I'm going to show you the code of the system. So let's start with the landing page. So in the landing page I have designed the page with HTML and CSS. So if you view the code here, I have give a if else condition for the login system. So if the password is null or empty, it will show you that you must give a password and email, and you have, if you give the wrong password or email, so when after counting this from the database, if the password doesn't match, then it will say the password doesn't match. So when you are checking as a radio button student, so it will logged you into the student panel, and if you give the radio librarian button checked, so it will respond direct to the librarian panel. So here was the landing page. So if you go to the librarian panel, you can see here the code. There is nothing but the system. I've taken a global variable from here. See, a global variable, I've taken this from here. Add a class. So in this global variable I have put it something, username public static string. So I have add the username variable, global variable, for keeping the name from the login system, and I will show it in the librarian panel. So here is the librarian panel. So it will welcome you in a label and show you your username you are logging it with. So if you log in as a Ehsanul, it will welcome you. It will pick the username from the database, and it will show the username of you. If you log in as another one, it will show you another name. So here is the librarian panel. So if you want to go to the librarian add publication, in the add publication I have added the query of inserting. So let's go to the add publication code. So here is the code of when the page is loading. I have added if it is not post back, here is the not. So it is not post back, the table will show. The table is the grid table. So if here is the select all from the publication table. In the publication table there is info, and it will be shown as in the grid table. So in the add publication button, I have added the insert to the publication table. So if you add any publication, it will insert to the publication table, and and I have also so here is the design. So if you delete anything, so it will delete from the table where publication name is. So here is the delete query of delete, here is the connection string, and here is the delete query of the delete button. So if you want to go to the add a book, so let's go to the add a book. In the add a book code, I have inserted the book as previous to the book table. So when the page is loading, I have level 1 is that it was the data inserted successfully. It was the level 1. So when the page is loading, it will hide, it will always by default it will be hide, and after you clicking the add button, save button, it will be true. So here is the insert query of adding publication name. So it will insert to the publication book, it will insert to the book table. So let's see the publication name and add a book. So let's see add a book. So here is the form of add a book. So I have, here is the add a book, and you can add a branch also. Let's see the code of add a branch. So simple, here is the, when you are clicking add a branch, it will insert to the branch table, and when you are deleting it, it will delete the from the table, and it will show to the grid view. And when the page is loading, it will show to grid view. So when you go to another panel, that is add a student, so simple, you will see that I have written the insert query in the added student. So let's see the code. So when you are inserting the student, it will show, it will select from the drop down list the day and the month from the drop down list, and the year from the drop down list. So it will combine those three in a string, and the string is DOB. So the totally the date of birth will add it here, date of birth will saved into the database. So after adding this, all the text box will be null. And let's see another panel, that is add a student, see all student. Let's see all student. So you can see all student here. When here is, I have taken to drop down list where the branch you have added will appear. So let's see the code. So here is the code. When the page is loading, will be not post back. So after the grid view will not be visible at first, but when you clicked on view button, when you clicked on the view button, the grid view will be true. So here is the code. So when you are the page is loading, it will select the branch name from branch table, and the gender from the gender. So it will go to the drop down list 2, that is this one, drop down list 2, and this is the drop down list 1. So when you are going to drop down list, this is the drop down list. In the drop down list 1, you will see the branch name, and in the drop down list 2, you will see the gender. And when you click the button 4, that is this one. Sorry, when you are clicking the button 4, it will select all the student, that is the search. And when you are clicking the button 5, it will show you all the student where according to gender. And you can also combine the search by this one, select all with combined gender and branch name. So I have put added a string here, gender and a branch name. So I combined them with this query, select all from student table where gender is equal to gender and branch is equal to branch name. So those were the code of the panel see all students. So you can issue a book. Let's go to issue panel. So if you go to issue book, so here is the code of issue book. So when the page is loading, those are the drop down, those are the codes for drop down list. So you are selecting everything has been added to the database and showing them to the drop down list too. So here is the drop down list 1 publications, here is the book, here is the branch, here is the student. So when you are selecting them, when the page is loading, all the drop down list will show their database. And when you are selecting them here, so you can see book name, author, publication, branch name, where book name equal to book name. So this information will appear there in this text box. So here in this text box, here is the add pub box. So in here this information will be here, and according to book name every information will come from the book table. So when you are putting a day and issue the book, then it will insert the book to the issue table. In this table all the issued book will be there. So here was the code of issue a book. So when you want to see the issue report, it will show you the issued book. Here is the design of the issued book. Here I have only take the label so that one can only see the book but cannot update it. So you can return the book also. So when you are in the returning book, you are deleting it from the issue table. So in the issue table there will be issued book and you are deleting it from here. So if you want to go issue report about us, so when you are logging yourself out, it will response redirect you to the landing page, and from landing page, when you are logging as a student, so let's see the student panel. I have taken to master page here, and in the master page 1 site 1 I have designed the panel of librarian, and in student panel page master I have taken all the student page and designed them with this master page. So in the student panel you can see it will welcome you first. So here is the code of welcome. So as usual, as the librarian panel, the system will welcome you with calling you the name with username, the global variable username. So when you are going to my profile, so to my profile, here is the code of student profile. So in the student profile you can see all these are all the label, and in the label you can see the when you are entering to the system will take the global variable stud id, which I have taken in their stu id, and keeping that student id, you can after you log in you can see only your informations there. So let's go to student my profile. Here you can delete your account. So delete your account, and you can also show all the informations you has been added by the librarian. So after to my profile you can go to the change password. Let's go to the change password. So you are here you are changing here you are seeing the password from according to the student ID of yours, according to the global variable, and you are seeing them to this text box. So after changing them, you are updating the password according to the global variable student ID. So set after the set password, you can show the issued books to issued books. So here is the issued books. You are when the page is loading, you are showing them in this text box, and you can delete. So you are when you are returning the book, the issued book will be gone from here, and all thing will be null. So let's run the project again to return a book and delete an account. The page is loading. So when you are logging as a student, so when you are logging, the system will welcome you as usual. So if you want to when you delete your account, so delete your account. Now you are, so there is no account here. So if you want to log in as Hassan, sorry, wrong password. If you want to go as Ehsanul, so if you can see the issued book here. Here is the issued book of your C#. So if you want to return the book, after clicking return the book, it will be gone, and you can see issued book. There is no issued book here. So thank you everyone for watching my project.